Nice.
Whoa.
Whoa.
So we're doing live.
Oh. We're not live.
Oh, what is it?
We're doing pumpkin painting.
We're doing pumpkin painting.
Whoa.
Yay! Yay! Oh,
What?
we have a skeleton.
Oh yeah, we gotta move it.
I need a pumpkin.
Pumpkin, we have it right here.
Oh, I need pee-pee.
Oh, go pee-pee. Whoa, so we're doing pumpkin painting today.
But it was-
while we're eating.
We're eating pumpkin baked bread, and we're eating pumpkin pasta.
Whoa, good job. So look at these breads. Look at their dinner rolls. They're pumpkin dinner rolls. And then look at what else we have here. Let's show them. Pumpkins, pastas. They're literally like the shape of pasta. Pumpkins. I don't know if you could see it. In a tomato pumpkin pasta sauce. Whoa. So it's like everything pumpkin. We got pumpkins, pumpkin shaped breads, mini pumpkins that Jordan painted. Look at these little guys. And then we have pumpkin pasta. It's a pumpkin themed episode.
Drinks.
And pumpkin milk. It's regular milk. Oh, drinks. Come back. So we're gonna eat. We're gonna paint. We're gonna show you guys what
You
we're gonna
said
paint.
paint.
And you guys, oh yeah, paint. We're gonna paint. And then we're gonna show you guys what our pumpkins look like. And you guys can vote who wins. Yes? Alright. Itadakimasu.
Itadakimasu.
Let's try this.
Let's try this.
The sauce is good. It doesn't taste like pumpkin. The pasta doesn't really taste like pumpkin. It just tastes like pasta, but the sauce is good. You know what Daddy needs?
Spicy sauce?
New fire sauce. I think this is the double spicy
Let's
sauce.
see.
Let's try a little bit. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I'll show you a close up of what we got here. Ooh! I spilled some of the pumpkin juice. Whoa. Okay, here we go. Itadakimasu.
Don't let it on my new pumpkin. It's gonna go on the plate.
Ooh, that must be double. Ooh, that's probably double because that's pretty spicy. Ooh, that's spicy.
Not mommy, Daddy.
Yes.
This doesn't have too much. This doesn't have enough taste for me.
Really? You gotta mix it. The middle part has more sauce.
I'm gonna eat the outside.
Ooh, that's good, but super spicy. How's your pasta now?
Good.
Better? You know what? We gotta try your dinner rolls. Look at this. It's a little mini pumpkin roll. Oh. But you have a recipe on your easy peasy. It's an easy peasy recipe.
It's too easy peasy. You just take the ingredients and then bake it, and then you're done.
Do you mix it?
You put the ingredients, mix it, kone, put it in the oven, and then you're all done.
Oh, that's so easy peasy. Nice. Thank you.
And then you eat it, and then you're done.
You're right. That's pretty easy peasy.
And then you
Oh my goodness. It is. Whoa. Ooh, that's pretty crazy. Ooh. Ooh, that's spicy. It's kind of burning. You're dipping your roll in your milk? Mmm. We'll have a competition and we'll see who can do the best painting. Where'd you go? Come here.
I think mine is more good.
We'll see. So we're gonna paint, but we're gonna let everyone vote who's gonna be the best, okay? So we'll show them at the end and then they could vote who did the best, okay?
Let's go.
Here we go.
Here we go.
Okay, what are you gonna paint?
I'm gonna paint this.
Let me see.
You
What
don't
do I
know.
want to paint?
What do I need to paint?
Put your dinner roll over here. Okay, don't tell the camera, okay?
Okay.
Trick or treating is a little different from trick or treat because we need to make sure we stand Oh, that was good.
Doraemon is my favorite character in the world, and I like to watch him in the TV.
What? Oh, that's good. Yeah, wow, thank you.
Doraemon's character is in Doraemon City called Doraemon City Park. I need to redo it.
Oh, you're gonna redo it?
But Anpanman does more, but Doraemon does it, but he doesn't do it. He doesn't do a little bit or a lot.
Oh. What does he
doesn't
do?
do it.
He doesn't do it a lot?
Daddy, first I have to paint.
Oh, sorry. He's gotta concentrate.
Don't look at mine.
Oh, sorry.
But I keep staring at yours.
Why?
Because yours is funny.
It is?
Uh-huh.
Is that a good thing or a bad thing?
Good thing.
Oh, it's a good thing?
I'm done.
Okay. You guys decide who wins. Ba-ba-bum! Who is that?
Anpanman.
Anpanman.
Yours is kind of cute.
Oh, thank you. So mine's supposed to look like this. Okay. So that was mine. Let's move mine here.
How are your Crunch Bro one?
Oh yeah, and then on the side, I did Crunch Bros.
Crunch Bro.
Crunch Bros. So that's mine. But here is his. Whoa! So tell him what you painted.
I painted the ocean of the city.
The ocean of the city. Nice. What's this thing right here? Over here.
That thing, the pink one is rain.
The pink one is rain. What about this blue thing right here?
What blue one?
This blue one right here.
That's the palm tree with dripping mangoes.
Palm tree with dripping mangoes. Nice. And then what else is on there? What about this over here?
What?
What about this right here?
That is the people that are surfing.
The people that are surfing.
But I'm not ready yet to show them mine.
But you said, let's show them.
No, I said, let's show them, but I'm gonna paint this still.
Okay, you can paint it a little bit more, but let's show mommies first so that they could all vote who wins, okay? Here, we're gonna do this so that they could see it with your crying, or is it your crying palm tree, or is it it's your palm tree with melting mangoes? What is it? Okay. And then this is what Crunch Mom did. I don't think it's that good. I don't think it's that good.
It's good.
It's okay. So that's Crunch Mom's.
I think
What is that?
Biking Mom.
Oh, it's Biking Man. So that is Anpanman's enemy. They're enemies. And I think Anpanman's awesome.
I think Biking Mom's more awesome.
What? That's so silly.
Biking Mom.
Leave a comment down below. Who do you guys think won? Was it Jordan's with his palm tree with
Daddy,
melting mangoes or crying mangoes?
crying palm tree with dripping mangoes.
Or Crunch Mom's Biking Man? And then this is Crunch Dad's Ampaman, and it's supposed to look like this.
I think mine is more.
Oh my goodness. Well, we'll let the people decide, yeah? So you guys can decide. Leave a comment down below. Let us know who won. Crunch Bros.
Crunch Bros.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Look, I'm biking mom.
Oh, you're Biking Man. What does he say?
Cookie, cookie, go.
That's-
Bye, biking.
That's so silly.